Hello boys. Today's topic is sketch and plan. This is the last topic of your first chapter, and after completing this topic I like to give you the question answers and exercises which you have to do in your copy. So first we are coming to the topic sketch. A sketch is a rough drawing which is drawn without using a scale or any conventional sign or some symbol. Suppose your friend has invited you to his or her house for a dinner. What you will do? She or he may make a rough drawing for you to reach his or her home. Okay. You will show in the drawing name of streets and roads and arrows to show where to turn. Then they will also that person will also show some various landmarks like post office, cinema halls, hotel, that will help you in finding his or her house easily. Such a drawing is called sketch. Many people consider sketch many maps easy to use because they are not cluttered with unnecessary things. So we can say that a sketch is a drawing made without considering scale. It gives a rough idea of the layout. A sketch map is simplified illustration showing an outline drawn from observation rather than from exact measurement. It shows only the main features of the area. So we can say that some maps which are drawn freehand, they are not drawn according to the scale. Such map is called sketch. Next is coming plan. Engineers and constructors need to draw an accurate map of a very small area like a house or a building complex. This is called a plan. Thus, it is an orderly step-by-step conception for accomplishing an objective. Such map help in the construction of the house and buildings. Such map contain minute details. For example, they show the length, breadth and height of each room, the height and the width of the windows and doors. These maps are always drawn according to a scale. Thus, a plan helps to set direction and a strategy to achieve a goal. The scale of a plan is different from the scale of a map. The map is drawn on a small scale, but the plan is drawn on a large scale. For example, 1 centimeter on a plan may represent 1 meter on the ground, whereas a 1 centimeter on a map may represent 10 kilometers on the ground. So, plan is a large scale map that takes into consideration all the basic elements of map. The blueprint of a house is an example of a plan. In such a representation, the proportion is maintained. Now, for last, we will see the difference between globe, map, plan and sketch in small. A globe is a three-dimensional representation of the earth as a planet. It has grid of longitude and latitude and generally show the distribution of the land and water on the earth's surface. A map is a two-dimensional representation drawn on any theme. It is drawn to scale and many or may not show the lines of latitudes and longitude. It uses symbols. A plan is a two-dimensional representation of a small area like house, building or residential complex. It is drawn on a large scale and show a lot of detail. It uses symbols and does not show any grids. Now coming to the last, sketch. A sketch is a two-dimensional representation of a small area, not drawn to scale and show only necessary details. It is rough drawing. It does not use grid or symbol. So thank you boys. Now your chapter is finished.